In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to install Unity on Linux. I don't think the version of Linux matters, but also I have no idea how I got it to work. So we're going to kind of go through some of my steps of what I did to kind of force it to work or make it work. You're going to want to download UnityHub.AppImages. I'll try and leave a link to it in the description if I can find it. You're going to want to go to the Unity website and ignore all of this because none of it is going to help you at all. We're going to first want to do this thing where we assign a key, otherwise it won't even let you run the hub, which is dumb. You can take this and try and run it. I just go into root immediately because I don't know, my sudo doesn't seem to work for me. Copy that in, run it, and I guess it runs, so now that's authorized. Sometimes it'll get stuck here, it'll just run, it won't even finish, it'll just get stuck. I don't know what that's about. I'm not sure if you have to do all of this stuff. I mean, if this runs and doesn't get stuck, just run all of these. Don't run this, leave that alone. Definitely run these two things. So run this and then this. But definitely you want to get to a point where when you go here to your, oh, not there. When you go here and you double click on this, it'll bring in a thing that says sign in here. Sign in, it'll take you to something like this. Then you hit Control U or something. Basically you want to get this view and you want to copy this all the way up into here. You don't need to go past the and. Then you need to find this thing here. What is it? The UnityHub.AppImage. And then paste this, copy, and paste. And then run the application, and you should be good to go.